Please show us. I am happy. I am happy. Say the word. I am happy.
I'm happy.
I'm very happy.
I'm very happy.
Itu you are laughing. Happy bukan laugh.
I'm very happy.
Super happy.
Extremely happy.
I'm happy.
Extremely happy. Itu happy.
No, it is.
Extremely happy.
Extremely happy.
I am. Please demonstrate to us.
Like that lah.
Like that lah. Well, actually, thank you, Elsa. Elsa has demonstrated to us that there's no difference between happy, very happy, and extremely happy. So either you're happy or not. Either you're happy or you are not. You see, there's no such thing as very happy, more happy, extremely happy, super happy. Sama juga satu perkataan, urgent. What is the difference between urgent and very urgent?
Oh, urgent.
Urgent means do when? Immediately. Very urgent? I think you get it, right? Urgent means do it now. Very urgent?
Do it very now.
Mana ada very now? You cannot do anything earlier than now. So urgent refers to now. So therefore, very urgent is redundant because you cannot do it earlier than now. Segera. Lebih segera. Segera tu sekarang. Lebih segera. Dia tak bawa maksud apa-apa. Sebabnya segera tu dah sekarang. Lebih segera buat tadi. Macam mana nak buat tadi tak buat pun. So therefore, if you want to shorten the number of words, you can remove the word very. Okay, satu lagi, pregnant and very pregnant.
Satu bulan dah.
Very
Ada lah.
Kira tengah makan.
Either you are pregnant or you are not. Understand? Either you are pregnant or you are not. Itu je. Dia tak ada very pregnant. Very pregnant apa? Lepas pregnant tu pregnant lagi. Mana ada? Kan? You cannot be pregnant if you are already pregnant. So therefore, there's no such thing as very pregnant. So avoid the word very when you write. You have to say very grateful, very appreciate, very happy, and so on. And then please avoid colourful adjectives. If you write a report, please be straight to the point, and you don't need to be very colourful and use a lot of adjectives, because you are not writing a novel, you are writing a formal report, that's all. Contohnya, if you are writing an accident report, okay, maybe you don't write an accident report in the bank, but I like to use this example. So for example, you write an accident report. I would like to report an accident that has happened in our factory. When I came to the factory, I heard a worker shouting for help. And I approached the worker. I found that the worker was on the floor. He was holding his hands. There were 3 cuts on his hands, and there was a lot of blood on the floor. And he was shouting, "Ayoyo, ayoyo." Tak payah. Okay. That's simple. The worker's arms were injured. Sama juga if you write a financial report. Okay, the KLSC performance for this month was terrible. It was bloody terrible. A lot of investors. Kan? Dia tak payah macam tu kan? Just simply say that the performance of the KLSC index was negative for this month. Many investors lost their money, and so on. Tak payah to describe in detail, using the colourful adjectives. Okay, the next one is, the final one is the use of redundant words. Now, if you want to use the KISS principle, which is keep it short and simple, then one technique that you can apply to meet this is by avoiding redundant words. Redundant words meaning words that carry no additional meaning when you write. I give you an example here. Look at this. I would like to meet you. We would like to meet you at 10 a.m. in the morning.
10 a.m.
You understand that where the redundancy is? I would like to meet you at 10 a.m. in the morning. Why is it redundant? A.m. in the morning. So you choose one. You choose one. Alright, so this is all about that, okay? For example, we would like to give you an advance warning. Why is it redundant? What advance is redundant?
Warning.
We would like to give you a warning because all warnings are in advance. There's no warning after it happened. We want to give you an added bonus. Well, all bonus are added or additional. This is an Usain Bolt is holding to an all-time record in 100 meters. Memang the record is all time, otherwise it is not a record. And etc. We would like you to buy pens, pencils, erasers, and etc. 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 The word and is redundant. We would like you to buy pen, pencils, erasers, etc. Tak perlu tulis and etc. Sebab kata etc. already means and others. Sama juga saya bawa anda membeli pen, pensil pemadam DLL ke pensil pemadam dan DLL. Macam mana?
Dan.
Ya, macam mana nak tulis? Pensil pemadam
Dan.
pensil pemadam DLL lah. Sama bahasa Inggeris, pens, erasers, pencils, etc. Sampai etc. Anonymous stranger? Anonymous. Well, all strangers are anonymous. Dia kata there is yesterday there was an anonymous stranger who came to the office. There was a stranger who came to the office. Cukup. Apa masalah dengan annual anniversary? Yes. So please don't say we would like to invite you to our annual anniversary dinner. Annual dinner or anniversary dinner. Armed gunman. An armed gunman robbed our bank. All gunmen are orang yang bersenjata. Orang yang bersenjata. So you only say an armed man or a gunman robbed our bank. Please go to the ATM machine. We want to go to the ATM machine. What's wrong with that? So we want to go to the ATM. Alright? We would like to make an advanced planning where all planning are in advance. Advanced review, advanced reservation. So all the words within the brackets can be deleted. Tak perlu letak pun boleh. Lagi satu. He is a bald-headed man. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that phrase? He is a bald-headed man. Ya memanglah, kalau botak tu kepala lah. Ada tempat lain yang botak. Kan? Sebab tak ada tempat lain yang botak, so he is a bald man instead of he is a bald-headed. Instead of a bald-headed man. Okay? Another one, please give me some cash.
Cash is already money.
Cash is already money. Kan? Completely destroyed. What's wrong with completely destroyed? Destroy is complete. If it is not complete, it's not destroyed, it is damaged. Damage, yeah? We are in a crisis situation. What's wrong with that? Crisis is a situation. So we are in a crisis. Depreciate in value. What's wrong? The shares will depreciate in value. The shares will depreciate. Depreciate is of course value, isn't it? Nothing else. Please drop down. What's wrong with this?
Drop.
Because ada drop out. Ada kan? So please drop down. We are in an emergency. Enough. Because all emergencies are situations. There is an empty hole in the ground.
Whole or empty.
No. There's a hole in the ground. Kan? Kalau dia tak ada, if it is not empty, it is not a hole. Kan? There's an empty space in my heart. Of course. Of course, it refers to space, isn't it? Yeah, so therefore, there is a space. If it's not space, it's not empty. And all space are empty, eh? Now what's wrong with this? Face mask. Please wear your face mask.
Hand mask, leg mask.
Leg mask?
Just lip mask. Potentially.
Mana ada? The mask always worn on the head. Dia tak ada macam ni siapa ni?
Only Tesla.
Tesla is wrong because there's no such thing as a mask you wear on the
And
on the elbow, on the knee, kat bontot ke? Tak ada. So all mask dekat mana? Face. So therefore, please wear your mask. Fall down. What's wrong with that? Fall down.
fall out.
Try test. Okay.
Frozen.
Final end. This is the final end. This is the final conclusion. This is the conclusion. This is the end. We want to give you a final ultimatum. This letter is our final ultimatum for demand, for your payment. What for? Is it? Because ultimatum means the end already. Fly through the air, of course, is it? What's wrong with foreign imports?
Import directly.
Yes, Malaysia's import is lower this month. Bukan, tak perlu kata Malaysia's foreign imports are lower this month, eh? What's wrong with free gift? Tahu pun. Future plans? All plans are in the future. Also in English, read SPM. Dah ada peperiksaan dah kan? So you don't need to say SPM exam, sitting for the SPM. In English also, when you refer to any color, you don't have to add the word color at the end of it. So it's just green. For example, Salim is wearing a green tudung, bukannya green color tudung. Okay. For example, siapa ni? Ni Dr. Siti Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon's tudung is purple. Not Sailor Moon's tudung is purple color. That's purple, yeah? Okay? Please hurry. You don't need to say hurry up. Lagi? Ni. Live witnesses. We will be interviewing several live witnesses. Of course they are live, isn't it? If they are dead, we cannot interview them. Local residents, of course residents are all local. Otherwise they are not called residents. Please meet together. We want to meet together, meet each other. Let us meet. Okay, we want to meet. Instead of we want to let us meet together, let us meet. Yeah? Ada lagi? He's our number one leader. Of course, Datuk Fadil Alas is the number one leader, He's our leader. It's a new beginning, new invention. You are our new recruit. You are our new recruit. Dia tak ada, dia salah tu, You are our recruit. New recruit is wrong because all recruits are new. So there's no such thing as an old recruit. Kalau you kata new recruit, there must be an old recruit. So if you are the new recruit, then maybe Tesla is the old recruit. Are you the old recruit?
Expired.
Okay. Yeah. What's wrong with oral conversation?
Conversation through mouth.
All conversations are oral, Past history, past record. Give me your PIN number. Let us postpone the meeting until later. Let us postpone the meeting to stop. Because postpone means until later. Apa dia tidur ni? Woi, Elsa, bangun. Tak
No, I
lah.
don't sleep.
Ha?
No.
Tak lah. Yeah, you bring down everyone's motivation, including my motivation. Okay, so recur again. What's wrong with recur again?
Recur is
Same thing.
Recur means repeat, is it? So you don't have to say again. Same like refer back or reflect back. Ataupun repeat again, reply back. Please, sometimes kita SMS, please reply back my email. Please reply my email. Serious danger? You are in a serious danger. You are in danger because all dangers are serious. Dia tak ada danger yang tak serious. And I'm serious about that.
Serious.
Yes. Shutdowns. They are involved in a three-way love affair. Three-way love triangle. They are involved in a three-way love triangle. Kita tiga segi bersegi tiga. So they are involved in the love triangle. Total destruction, you know destruction means nothing left. Tuna fish. Now in English also, all types of fishes, you don't have to say fish. Tak percaya pergi tengok kat My Day nanti tengok beli sardin. Dia kata bahasa Melayu ikan sardin, but in English it is sardin. Kita dalam bahasa Melayu ikan tuna, tapi ikan bahasa Inggeris tuna. Ada dua je ikan yang dia tulis fish kat belakang tu. Satu catfish, satu goldfish. Okay. So one is catfish, the other is goldfish. Takut nanti kalau siapa macam ni? Steven Gerrard. Takut Steven Gerrard kata, I want to eat a cat. I want to eat a catfish. Dia tak fish lah, kalau takut you I want to eat a cat kan. So in order to avoid confusion, you add a fish. Goldfish pun sama kan. I have a lot of gold. Kalau tahu mana ada buka. Dia itu kan gold, itu goldfish. Patut cakap lah goldfish, tak payah aku susah nak tengok kan. I have a lot of goldfish kan, goldfishes. Okay, another one is very pregnant. He is an undergraduate student. Undergraduates are all students. Kalau 12 o'clock or midnight kita kata noon dengan midnight. Tak payah kata 12 noon or 12 midnight. Because when you say noon, it's already 12 o'clock. Midnight is also 12 o'clock. So you don't have to say 12 midnight. Pagi buta, early in the morning. Weather condition, weather situation. So what is the weather? What is the weather? What is the weather in KL? Please write down. Please write. Please write, yeah? I'm now over here. Okay, consistent spelling. Consistent spelling. Remember I told you there's a British spelling system and an American spelling system. So to me, I don't care whether you use British or American. The more important